This pair has singled out their target, a Markhor kid that strayed too far away from its mother. Now, he'll have to survive this attack all by himself. It's only 6 months old, but it's already too heavy to be snatched up by an eagle. So the eagles try to herd the kid to steeper terrain, where they hope to knock it over, and the kid knows that. Its best bet is to seek safety in the trees where the golden eagles find it hard to attack. But the hungry eagles won't give up so quickly. It's not surprising that many Markhor kids don't make it to their first birthday. But this kid is a survivor. The mother sees that her kid is struggling and she joins the fight. It's the last chance for the eagles to strike before the kid runs up to safety. He only has a few more steps to climb. This lucky kid lives to see another day.